PF fam, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions Beats and Feasts. Hey guys, you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do an old favorite of mine. We're going to do, well, let's just call it sweet potatoes or candy yams. Some people call it candy yams. Some people call it sweet potatoes. But that's what we're doing today. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Share the video, guys. And let's get started with some candy yams. Alright, so as always, I'm going to start with my supporting cast. This is a really simple recipe. So I got 4 sweet potatoes here I got to get cut up. And then I got my brown sugar. I got a cup of brown sugar packed. I got 1 stick of butter. I got about half a cup of just regular pancake syrup or regular syrup. You can use the syrup that they sell in the store for baking if you wish. Then I got about a half a cup of white sugar. You gotta have a ground nutmeg, a ground ginger, and a little bit of ground cinnamon. I'm also gonna put a little bit of vanilla in this, some vanilla extract. So, hey guys, let's get started with this. Guys, so I got my sweet potatoes here. I'm gonna wash these off real quick under some cold water. And we're just going to slice them. So I'm going to cut them in about 1/2-inch slices, maybe a tad bit more. So they come out about like this. And we're just going to add them to a bowl here. And that's how you cut them up, as evenly as you possibly can. Next thing we're going to work is on my syrup. So we're going to head over to the stove and do that. I got my 1 stick of butter in the pan there. So to that I'm going to add my white sugar. It's about a half a cup. I'm going to add my packed brown sugar. It's a whole cup. Let me incorporate those and mix them around in here real good. Now I may add a little bit more butter to this. It just depends on what it looks like here in just a moment. Alright, and we're going to add about a teaspoon of nutmeg. We're going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. And we're going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. The ginger brings a little pop. My ginger is trying to dry it up a little bit, but we'll work with it. And we're going to add just my pancake syrup or regular syrup to the mixture. Alright, so we're going to incorporate these and get them all mixed up in here. And I didn't forget about my vanilla, but I'm going to add that once this is all mixed up here. Look at that ooey gooey goodness. As always, I always tell people to taste their food, so I'm going to taste this a little bit here. And we're going to put about another 1/2 stick of butter into this. Melt that down in there real good. Alright, so I'll be back after this butter melts, and I'll add my vanilla to it. Alright guys, so the butter's melted here, and you can see it bubbling up here. We just want to bring it to a nice little simmer. And I'm going to give it a little bit of another taste here so I can see what I need to add or anything at all. Not a thing. That's perfect. So we're going to take that off, and I got my sweet potatoes here in a pan that I'm going to be putting in the oven. Alright, so at the very last minute, I'm going to add my vanilla. Just a tad bit. A little bit more. There we go. And we're going to mix that up in there. Yes, that vanilla added that kick. What I needed. Alright, so we're just going to pour this over top of the sweet potatoes. Get it all in there. You don't want none of this to go to waste. Alright, we're going to try to evenly distribute this here. Alright, so we're going to pop this in the oven, and I'm going to put it in covered first. We're going to pop it in at 350. Let those sweet potatoes cook down. Alright, so it's been about 45 minutes, and this yam sweet potatoes have been cooking for about 45 minutes or so. So I'm taking them out. They're not totally done. Not quite anyway. So what I want to do is I'm going to take a look and see what the tenderness is. Oh yeah, they got a little resistance to them, but they're almost there. So only thing I'm going to do next is try to stir them around in here, get them all incorporated in that nice sauce. And we're just going to put those right back in the oven for about another 15-20 minutes. And I'll plate them up for you. Sweet potatoes are done. Took them out of the oven. This is what we end up with. Look at the sauce. Look at that sauce. Oh my God. Sweet potatoes are nice and tender. I'm going to plate this up for you. There you guys go. Sweet potatoes. Homemade sweet potatoes. Nice, rich, thick sauce with your sweet potatoes melt in your mouth. But you know what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on that bite. Guys, here you go. Homemade sweet potatoes. Yams, candy yams, whatever you want to call them. But they sure are good. So I'm going to take a bite here. Oh, look at these. Oh my God. Forget my pressure cooker's going off. My God, these are awesome. You'll never buy canned sweet potatoes again, I'm telling you. You get another bite. Hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Make sure you share it. Hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.